Assalamu alaikum. This is the demonstration video for EEE 4705 complex engineering problem. At first we will go through our whole simulation, then we will see the internal circuits of our microcontroller. So if I start the simulation, we can see a message, then it will tell me to enter my time. So here we have to give our time within 5 second to 300 second. So at first let's give a time less than 5 second and see what will it will happen. Okay, so if I give my time, for example, 2 second, it will automatically start my simulation from 5 second. Okay, and if I give my time, for example, here is the reset button using which I can reset the whole this is like an emergency stop button. If I press this, our whole oven will be reset. So if I give my time more than 300 seconds, for example 500 seconds, and after giving my time, here is the on button. I have to press this to start my oven actually. So if it has started from 300 seconds, as here I have given my time more than 300 seconds. So let's reset this again. So there are some other parts in keypad. For example, if I give after 3 digit, if I give more input, it will not take any input. So to give, actually, if you want to change our input, for example 566, we want 665. So if we want to change it, we have to actually use this backspace button, cross button. We have to change this one. This will work like this. So now let's describe the LEDs. There are four LEDs actually. These two are connected through a relay. These are just like toggling one by one, and this power status on, this is always connected to a 5 volt and ground. This um, this actually says the power status of our oven, if the simulation is working and if the oven is working, not working. If the oven is powered up, this will automatically be turned on. And the yellow one, if it is in like this, if it is like not blinking, then our oven is not working. Okay, oven is not cooking anything or making anything hot. So, and this red one, if the red one and yellow one is blinking alternately, that means our oven is working now. So we cannot open the lid, that will be harmful. And the green one, the green one and buzzer, both of these are connected using a relay. They are operated at the same time. So the function of the green one is that after going to, all the seconds, if it reaches 0, it will be turned, it will be flashing, so that we can actually know that our food is cooked. So if I just start my simulation, you can see that the yellow one and red one is blinking alternately after each second. And let's reset. Let's see the function of the green one. So let's give a small time, for example 15 second. So these two are blinking alternately. Let's see what happens if it reaches to 0. So we can see that yellow one stopped flashing and the green one now is now flashing with the buzzer also on. So let's reset this one. So now we will go through the internal circuits. Here is the microcontroller 8051. So if we go inside, we can see the clock frequency is set 13.002144. This was calculated using the provided manual, provided instructions. So depending on this frequency, we have to actually create our delays properly. But here is the catch. If we also calculate our delay for 1 second, um, this might not work properly, because this delay 1 second was called inside the main loop. uh, this is our main loop countdown. So in this loop already there are some lines which will also take part in the machine cycle, and here are some other functions. This one, this one, these two functions. There are some more lines which will also take part in the machine cycle. So what I have done that, instead of taking the calculated delay register values, I have manipulated them manually. Okay, for 1 millisecond it will work, but for 1 second I have manipulated them manually. And after we can just build and burn this one, our hex file will be generated, and from here we can choose our hex file, and this will be working. And if we see the other parts of our circuit, so here is a here is the port 0 which is connected to the 7 segment displays. So here we cannot see the circuit actually. So here is the circuit, and port 2 is connected to port 2 and 3. The 4 pins of port 2 and 4 pins of port 3, they are connected to the input keypad. And the LCD is connected, LCD digital pins, these are connected through port 1, and the RSRW LCD, these are connected to 3 pins of port 2. And after connecting all of this, we were left with only 2 pins, LED and bus. So what I have done, I connected buzzer with 1 pin and LED with another pin. So but I need to, sorry, I need to operate 2 LEDs here. I need to red one and yellow one, they need to flashing. So I used a toggling relay, which red and yellow one are connected in alternate polarity, so that they will be blinking not together. They, if the red one is on, yellow one will be off, and vice versa. And the buzzer, I need to connect my buzzer also my green LED, so I have used another relay. Both of this will be turned on together. So, and here the crystal frequency is also 13.00 or 2114 megahertz, so matched with our original frequency. And this circuit is for our stop circuit. If you see that there is a circuit, this is for our stop circuit, and these resistors values are 560 ohm. And now we can see a whole simulation to see from 300 second, see the changing messages. So here, instead of changing my message after 20 second, I have changed my message after 60 second. I have taken in this way, from 0 to 60 second it will show one type of message, from 60 to 120 another type of message, 120 to 180, 180 to 240, and 240 to up to 300. So if I start this simulation, let's see a whole simulation. Let's take 335 and press the on button. So the whole simulation was actually, the messages are from UCL final of 2018, where Cristiano Ronaldo played last time uh, in Real Madrid, in the jerseys of Real Madrid. So if we see after it will reach to 240, the message will be changed. So So Real Madrid 1, Liverpool 0. First goal was from Benzema, I think. Yes, Benzema, first goal. Let's fast forward it a bit. Let's set the time 185. And second goal from Liverpool, Sadio Mane. So let's again reset this and set our time to 125. So another goal from Real Madrid, maybe Gareth Bale. Yes. Let's again reset this. Let's set our time to close to 60. So when it will reach to 0, after reaching 0 the green one will be flashing and the message will be changed again. So let's go to that part directly. Okay, let's give a time 8 seconds. So we can see the LED flashing and the buzzer also running. Let's reset this one. So that's all from my side. Thank you.